So 397, number 91, a double angle problem. This one says tangent of u is minus 2/9 and pi over 2 is less than u is less than pi. Okay? And what we're asked to find is sine of 2u, cosine of 2u, and tangent of 2u. All right. So double angle formulas. Sine of 2u is what? Well, you should have that on your reference card. It's in the flyleaf of your book. Sine of 2u is 2 cosine u sine u. Okay, you want to have that on your reference card. Don't necessarily expect you to remember all of those. You will want to have those when you get to the test. Cosine of 2u, you have choices. You can use cosine squared of u minus sine squared of u, or you can use 2 cosine squared u minus 1, or you can use 1 minus 2 sine squared of u. Pick whichever form of that you want to use. All right. The tangent is, tangent of 2u is 2 tan u 1 minus tan squared u. But here's the problem. If we are trying to fill out this, what is sine of 2u is 2 cosine u sine u, but all we were given was tangent is minus 2/9. Well, what do we do with that? Where do we go from there? This says that we have a triangle, and my tangent's going to be negative, right? So I know that my angle is either going to be over here or like that. And this says this is sine over cosine, so I have a negative 2 and a 9, or I have a 9, well, yeah, let's fix that. So I have a 9, a negative 9 or a 2, or a 9 and a negative 2. How do I know which one? All right, go back to the problem, and it says that u is between pi over 2 is less than u is less than pi. So which one does that tell me that it's going to be? Yeah, the second quadrant. So now I know that this is my triangle. Okay? Using the tangent and which angle that we get. All right, so now then, I can solve for what's the hypotenuse, right? If this is 2 and this is negative 9, this is square root of 9 squared plus 2 squared is what? Square root of 85? Is that right? So now then I know what sines and cosines are, right? So I can actually fill this thing back in with things that I've gotten off my triangle. 2 cosine u, well, that's just minus 9 over square root of 85. And sine is 2 over square root of 85. So the sine of 2u is 2 times minus 9 times 2 divided by 85. So sine of 2u is 2 minus 9 times 2 over 85 is what? 4 times 9 is 30, minus 36 over 85.
Now that we've located the sine as minus 36 over 85 and generated the triangle, we can calculate cosine and tangent the same way, because those values can be plugged into the double angle formulas as well.